Hi car friends! Every tip in this video has been confirmed by professional mechanics, so relax. Your problem has a solution. When your Ford shows the message, check adaptive headlights, see manual, it's basically saying, hey, my smart headlights aren't working properly, better take a look. It doesn't mean they're suddenly going to turn off, but the system that makes the lights swivel and adjust their beam according to the road has detected something unusual and went into alert mode. The first thing many mechanics notice is that this usually happens after washing the car or driving in heavy rain. The sensors and front camera that control the headlights can get wet, muddy, or dirty, which confuses the system and makes it think there's a problem. It's like trying to see through a foggy windshield. You won't see clearly until it's cleaned. That's why the simplest and most effective solution, as mentioned in forums, is to carefully clean the camera and front sensors. Many people report that after a good wipe with a soft cloth and water, the message disappears after restarting the car. It's amazing how something so simple can fix what seemed like a serious technical problem. If cleaning isn't enough, the next suspect is the electrical connections. Several mechanics in this shop found that loose wires or corroded terminals behind the bumper or near the camera could interrupt the signal. Checking, cleaning, and tightening these connectors usually works wonders and often removes the warning immediately. In more complicated situations, the problem could be the sensor itself or the adaptive headlight control unit. Some cases required replacing or recalibrating these components with professional tools, and when done, the message disappeared and the headlights worked like new. This tends to happen especially in higher mileage cars or vehicles that have experienced minor front-end impacts. There are also cases where the message appears along with alerts from the camera or other driver assist systems. Since these sensors communicate across multiple systems, a fault in the front camera can trigger the headlight warning. In those situations, updating the ADAS module software or recalibrating the camera helps stabilize everything and makes the message go away.